policy. I'm just going to call this whatever. And I always look to see is user. That's where I always start. Okay, so when I do that, star, and then I'll use an if. You can do an if else, like for example, if they are logged in, then I'm going to run this whole cleanup. If they're not, I'm just going to log, right? But I can also prompt, I can do a lot. I'm going to make this very simple, but you can also expand on this because if they are all logged in, maybe you want them to say, hey, yes, go ahead. And well, let's just do it. Prompt. Okay, so prompt. Okay, so let's go. All right, so title, clean up, and then I'll just type in, hey, customer. Obviously, you're going to change this. I am going to run a clean maintenance on your system. Is that cool? And then you're going to wait, something like, let's go 1500, right? So 1500 seconds, and then you're going to give them some options, okay or cancel, or yes or no. Let's go yes or no. And then based on this, right, we can now do stuff. Now, I screwed that up because I meant to put it up here. Let's go prompt. There we go. And then we can link together. I'll just put whatever here. Can I clean your system? And then again, 1500 seconds. And then yes or no. Okay, yes or no. Okay, and then from there, we're going to link the prompt into the click result. And then from there, if they click yes or no, we're going to do one of two things. There we go, equals. And then what we can say is yes. Then what we're going to do, right? So they're going to authorize you to be able to run the cleanup. Now, I've done both. I've prompted users for cleanups, but I've also gone ahead and just done it. Ultimately, you're the MSP, it's your call, but this is a good way to socialize that, you're the MSP and you're working with them, the end user. Sometimes it's a really good kind of value have to engage the user. But again, if they say decline or click on no, well, I'm going to come over here and log something like log user has declined maintenance, try again later, whatever. So now what we're going to do is clean. Now, if you type in clean in N Central, we have a bunch of stuff that you can clean: temporary files, old files, recycle bin, set of files, system, right? There's a bunch of useless stuff here. Windows upgrade files, system error, mini dump, all of it, right? So will this do everything you're describing? Maybe not. There's other stuff too, like I think there's a delete option. So if you have delete temporary files, you can check those off. You could also say it's an engineering firm and you want something like, delete certain files from temporary files from Reddit. You can definitely, customize this to make it your own, right? All you have to do is specify where the file or the folder is and delete it. You could also accompany some PowerShell, and if you were to go online and look at some PowerShell code, I'm sure there's plenty of cleanup PowerShell that's out there, and you could also incorporate this into here as well. So anyways, that's a quick little example to kind of hopefully get you on track.